Now, who said the kitchen was boring? The next time your kids are glued to the iPad, check out these cool recipes from Chef John Comrie. He's going to teach me a thing or two.
You can't teach me.
Morning, Chef. How are you?
Good morning. How are you doing?
What will we pop this morning now?
Well, this morning we're doing a little trick to the treat. Right? Yes. So we're doing a banana creamy wheat porridge.
Banana creamy wheat porridge.
Yes.
All right. You hear that, Neville?
So that's the trick. And the treat is we have a gummy stuffed cupcake.
A gummy stuffed.
Yes.
So
it's stuffed with gummy bears.
It's in there.
Yes, as you can see here.
Are it not in there yet?
It is already in there.
Okay.
So it's in another one here too?
Yes, it's in all of them.
All right. So I like that one there. You just put on a pot of water.
Yeah? I just throw some things in
And
there.
make it get hot.
I think you did watch me yesterday.
Yes.
No, I
Some
wasn't.
cinnamon leaf.
I hope I was.
Porridge
Maybe I
can't
would've
make
learned
without
You
it.
would have.
Yes. So I had cinnamon leaf.
Yeah,
so you
porridge
can add
can't
the
make
flavor.
without it.
Yes. Right. And I'm flavoring the liquid from now. I'm adding 4 teaspoons
really?
of sugar. Yeah.
All right. That's new to me.
Right. And I'm adding some milk.
Oh,
Sugar
yes.
and milk?
Yeah. So this is powdered milk.
No, it looks so powdery to me. Still.
No, I mixed it out.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's what I know.
Never, you know, I'm saying that.
Never look
You
like
think of
powder.
powder, never.
Yeah, I say powder, it don't look like powder.
So I'm creating the flavor from early.
Yeah. First, me I say somebody do that, Chef. Normally, I sweeten after I make the porridge.
No.
But that's cool. Chef said no.
I create the flavor from early. Let that come to a simmer. All the flavors combine.
Oh.
So when I add the creamy wheat, because it just takes about 5 minutes or less. Once you're adding it to hot water. So once I add the creamy wheat porridge to that, right? What happens is that the pectin will explode and it will start
The what?
pectin.
Pectin.
Pectin would be what, please?
Basically gluten.
Gluten.
Yes.
Will explode. So if I move.
It will expand.
Come my ear. Oh,
It will
come my
expand.
ear. We catch a fire. Just answer, please. I can't manage that this morning.
Pectin, I've never heard that before. You didn't know pectin?
That never.
All right. So the water.
Is this the creamy wheat? It's not one of those that you have to keep stirring and stirring and stirring, or it's gonna lump up. Come on, you make cornmeal porridge. Okay, all right.
Yes. So what I did before is that I wet the
creamy wheat.
Yes. Make it easier to handle.
Yeah, man. It's like just like you would cornmeal or
Or
oats or yeah. But this cooks a lot faster.
way faster.
Way faster. All right, so we get up in the morning and the kids in a rush. And you're late.
And for the kids who don't want to drink the porridge, as I say, you can do the trick to the treat.
All right.
Do the trick.
I want to get to the trick to the treat.
treat.
Come on, if you buy the cupcake and you open it and put it in the gummy bear and seal it back. I want to know how the gummy bear gets in and they make a chef. This is my way, Papa.
All right, so what we did for the cupcakes, let this
Simmer down.
Yes. What we did for the cupcakes is that upon making the batter,
Yes.
right, you add the batter to the pan, right, and then what I did was I placed a gummy bear on top, right, so that when it's when the heat applies and the gummy bear starts to melt, as you can see the line going down, it runs down, leaving that nice pattern.
Oh.
So the gummy bear
So the whole
don't
gummy
stay
bear
in there.
don't stay.
Yes, it's in there,
Wait,
but it dissolves.
Oh,
gummy
right.
bear dissolve.
Yes.
So it's not
melts,
whole, that's what it says,
basically.
so it's not going to be as
It
whole.
won't be as whole as that.
Oh, so it's dissolved in the middle, and then you kind of stick one up at the top.
Yes.
Okay, I think of the whole or something you did have in the middle, and I say, oh, chef, get that, but all right.
Yeah.
You
But if you
understand
didn't
now,
tell you,
man?
ask me, but I tell you. 'Cause I know these things.
You're not afraid, never? When you thought, you're not afraid. All right, chef.
So as you can see, it's bubbling.
But it won't turn down, it look like.
Yeah, it's down.
If it's a good thing, me there.
It's down.
Kind of look like it didn't know say it won't turn down.
All right, we have for a chance to win a really cool gift basket. Tell us, how old is Jeff Mills?
Company or the man?
The company.
Oh.
If you want to find out how old is the man, you're not going to find out. You're just not going to win the basket.
Just say, how old is J?
You're just not going to win the basket.
Where the J and the F stand for?
What did J?
John Fitzgerald?
No, Jamaica flour mills.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Send him on. No, sir.
Yeah, man, mash up the mic. Nobody there here daily alone. Because she does mash up her mic. You're going to talk, man. She does mash up her mic.
You mean that?
We just want to know. JF Mills don't sound like somebody to you.
It does.
Thank you very much.
It does. But
Don't it? Oh, you didn't know?
God, I cannot.
You didn't know?
If you know, him can't hear me or the mic battery up on.
Yeah, come close.
If you know how old
The man is Mr. Mills. Give us a call at 733. It's not 2261, it's 246126. It's a good thing I'm vigilant here. And you can read that.
good thing I got school and Mr. Mills.
Thank you. A really cool gift basket. John Mills.
Oh my Lord.
A school name, John Mills.
Yes, it's JF, brother.
This thing is good. All right, there you go. That's for Delia.
It's hot on me. You want to drink that now?
Yeah, I'll be drinking now. You just blow upon it 2 times on Saturday.
Cool. Yeah, man.
Thank you very much.
You make it and you put it on, you send them go bathe. By the time them done bathe and come back, them can drink it.
No, you don't have to put it in because Delia will taste it and tell me what happened, and then I'll just take the rest of it. It's not a problem.
All right.
So,
And what you ensure is that you don't make the porridge too sweet. Right?
but you
Keep
put
it-
sugar and milk
Yeah,
in
but
it.
it's just 4 teaspoons to all this porridge.
Okay.
Right? So don't make it too sweet, being that you're giving them the treat.
All right.
Okay, because the treat sweet.
Yeah. Minimize the sugar content that your child intakes.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Thanks,
nice.
Sir John.
Nice, chef.
There you go. John Comrie, chef, Fusion Chefs Catering and Consulting Services. You that?
Yes.
Oh, where are you?
Well, I'm a freelance person, but now we're located at Seymour Park.
Seymour Park.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
All right, chef.
All right. Remember, now you need to tell me how old Mr. Mills is, and you win a basket. We soon come back. All right? Really, I'm going to do some work finally.